Yes, Earth Angels, I have some inspiration for you. Yeah, I said I'm going to get on here and share some of your angel messages that are coming to you every day. And this is for uplifting you, optimal, uplifting, inspiring, and, encouraging you to get the best out of life. And these are angel numbers the universe sends us every day. And we didn't even know the meaning of why we keep seeing 222, 444, 1111, all these magnificent numbers. I know I'm watching my favorite, and they have all this gorgeous jewelry, moissanite, and all this jewelry that I need to get on these fingers. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and turn it down. Give me 1 second. This is beautiful. 2 carats of beautiful pink morganite with pink diamonds on the initial halo, white diamonds on the second halo. Okay, did you hear that? Pink diamonds. Yes, Earth Angel. Those are for you. All right, look. I saw several numbers today, so I'm going to give you this one. And I should have wrote them down, but this one kept coming up. So look here. This one, if you are seeing 263, of course you've seen it. Wherever, somebody's license plate, your phone number, receipts, address, change. Yeah, you see it all the time. On somebody's shirt. Yeah. It's high expectations. The more you do, the more you get. Because you have demonstrated your reliability to others, more opportunities are coming your way. The higher expectations people have of you, the more you can achieve. But you may also feel fear of failure. And the fear thing is just your mind playing tricks on you. It's just pure entertainment, because you're having fear of something that you didn't even do yet. Frequently repeat this mantra: I am capable. Absolutely. You are capable. That's 263, high expectations. The more you do, the more you get. And that is a fact. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. So if you think that you're going to get something for doing nothing, yeah, you're going to have a lot of zeros, on that check. And it's not going to be 6-figure zeros of, you made $1 million. No. You're going to have to put some effort into it. And I'm going to do 2 more for you. Okay, if you are seeing this, I think this is a really good one because, if you're on social media all the time, that's a distraction. If you're watching the news all the time, that is a distraction. There are so many distractions out here. So if you are seeing 291, set precedent, eliminate distractions. There is a calling on your life, And there are many distractions around you presently. And the challenge is to keep your mind set on what you actually want. Eliminate distractions today by postponing or declining anything that isn't essential. So that's 291. And I mean, there's many examples, like I just was saying. You know, the distractions are everywhere. And, you know, people are doing things that they know they're not supposed to be doing the wrong things. And they're constantly putting it on TV, on your cell phone. And a lot of times I'm like, my head is just going boing, 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 because it's hard to not, you know, look at it and laugh because, you know, all the funny things they're doing, or the no good things that they're doing. Like okay, let me give you an example. They keep putting on the cell phone. People that are doing carjacking, robbing people. These guys followed this one guy home. You know, I don't know if it was a Hellcat or, you know, he had a fancy sports car. And they followed him home, and he knew it. You know, it's just crazy to me that, I mean, who knows how long they've been following him. I mean, I can't even imagine that. So he jumped out and he gave him a hell of bullets. And that'll teach him, you know, and then, you know, that'll eliminate taxpayers, you know, their money having to pay for this robber, you know, trying to rob somebody, you know, in court and judge. You know, it's just the whole thing, the attorneys and this, that, and the other, and jury and all that. You know, the courts are freed up because that problem was solved. And, you know, that I just never will understand people who try to take other people's property, what does not belong to them. They feel that your hard work, blood, sweat, and tears, that they are entitled to your hard work. I'll just never understand that. And I got one more for y'all. You know what? I'm in love with this one. This is the one tonight. If you are seeing 369, reduce stress. Revive your mind, body, and spirit. Your mind, body, and spirit need to decompress. Your angels are alerting you that your stress levels are at an all-time high. Do something that relaxes you today. That's what we're talking about. Take a technology break, read a book, or take a contemplative walk in nature. Do all three. You're going to be amazed at how much better you feel. You won't feel so overwhelmed. And, you know, we didn't have cell phones growing up. So we didn't feel the way we do now. We are so stressed out as a people, and we all have the same hours in a day, but the time is flying, like really fast. And they say, you know, the earth is spinning, you know. I don't know how fast it's spinning, but I mean, where is the time going? So, yeah, the stress levels of us, of the world, is definitely at an all-time high. And yeah, like they said here, you know, take a walk in nature, you know, have a bubble bath, uh, you know, read a book, write a short story, you know, look at the sky, you know, something to help you, you know, relax and reduce stress. So walking out in nature, yeah, definitely, because it is soothing and calming. And then, you know, your feet is crunching out there, you know, in the grass and leaves and whatnot. And then, I know you already heard of this. They say, hug a tree. And I think there's a movie where the girl, I mean, it was absolutely hilarious. She was kissing and hugging a tree. So, yeah, I have to say that is something. I mean, that is incredible because I don't know if I think I'm gonna have to try that. So, yes, 369 reduce stress because, you know, if you don't, I mean, you already know, you know, the headaches and the migraines, it's just, it's no good. So, yeah, take time to de stress, do something for yourselves. Absolutely, Earth Angels. So, I was trying to think of something. What special thing, you know, you could do for yourself? Just even more special than what, you know, they're saying here. And you're probably saying, how can I do that? I want to go to Jamaica or, you know, France, whatever, you know, and it's like, yeah, that you just have to plan for it, save for it, and do your vacation. Go on your vacation. I talked to several people and they're saying, when was the last time you went on vacation? It's been years. Yeah. So you're going to have to manifest your vacation, do your mantras, say it. I am infinite possibilities. I am capable. Yeah, I am abundance. I am prosperous. You know, and bless yourself and say thank you to yourself. And those are the things that I've been doing this summer. So you can look back, you know, on my other videos, and it's the Louise Hay Love Yourself Challenge. So, you know, if that's something for you, Earth Angels, I say do it. You know, and you're going to be amazed how much better you feel because you're not constantly doing and going and just doing for everyone else instead of yourself. And so that's what's also overwhelming and stressful. You know, tell people no. You know, no. Yes, say it, Earth Angels. No. Okay? It's a no for me. So, yeah. So, this is what I want to share with you. Absolutely. I think I should do one more before I get off of here. I love that. De-stress. How about, okay, if you're seeing 411, Okay, that number we have been seeing forever. I didn't know it even had a meaning. I thought you was calling 411 to, you know, get somebody's address. I mean, that's what we used to do. They don't even offer that service anymore. But here, 411, important relationships. So now you know, 411, that's what it's about. See the value in those you love. The number calls you to select one relationship close to you and nurture it and give it attention. Tell a loved one how much you care for them and appreciate them. Make time for them as you communicate how important they are to you. So, yes, this was meant to be Earth Angels. Take time to appreciate your loved ones. Show them love and care, you know, because if you don't, how are they going to know? So, 411, yes, get the 411, okay? It's important to you. All right, Earth Angels, that was all that I had tonight. Yes. All right. So, that was your inspiration for tonight. And you have a marvelous night. Bye-bye.